back here through Carpenter, and Dunbar are going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Hammer down. 6 cars left on the racetrack. Everybody wants to transfer to the big dance. Green is out. Weber and Clay, that's your front row. And who's going to have the advantage now? Weber still works that high side. Brandon Weber works at 2, 3, and 4. Oh, a little bang into the wall. Oh, that's going to scrub off some speed. That even might leave a mark. They're going to be able to keep going, or is caution going to come on the Speedway? Caution on the racetrack. That was your leader. Green flag is out. Now you see Dustin Sorden at 98 trying to work it on the high side. Sword now up to 3rd, looking for more, trying to keep the momentum up as he goes into 3 and 4. Is he going to bite the wall? Is he going to keep it up and keep the momentum? Sword, holy cow, up into 2nd to the final transfer. Jared Clay, Dustin Sword, and the rest of them aren't done yet. Less than 2 laps, going to be white flag this time. Jared Clay, your leader. Dustin Sword in that 2nd spot. But he's got Greg Bellier hanging right there with him. Now we see the 4th place car, Corey Skepton, doing a bit of skipping of his own coming off corner number 4. In the meantime, out in front, what's going to happen? The final set of corners. The top 2 are in the A main at the line. Give it to the 5 machine of Jared Clay. 2nd, that's going to be Dustin Sword in the 98. Greg Bellier in 3rd. So we're missing the 4D of Shannon Davis, the 16 of Alex Broughton, and the 56 of Bryant Dillon. Everybody else we've got out there. 8 laps, top 5 transfer. Green is out, and here we go. Joe Williams, that 72 machine, putting up on the high side. The longer Joe's been in that car tonight, the faster he's been. It's a little squirrely on the front stretch. Oh, a little announcer's jinx there. Him and nephew Brody going to battle it out for that last position. That's actually the last transfer. Joe now is going to bring that car to the infield. Thought he was. Yeah, he is. Now Joe brings that car to the infield. There's your 5 cars left to transfer. Rich Caldwell right back out where he was. William Caldwell still in that 2nd spot. Then it's going to be Willie Stout, Jake Castle, Brody Williams. 3 laps in, 5 to go. Going to be cross flags this time. 4 in, 4 to go. Rich Caldwell, William Caldwell. Jake Castle in the 24, Willie Stout in the 11. Brody Williams in the 772. Going to be 5 in with 3 to go at the line this time. Rich Caldwell, about a 1.4 second advantage over the 2nd place of William Caldwell. Jake Castle in 3rd, Willie Stout and Brody Williams. Going to be 6 in, 2 to go at the line this time. Going to be white flag this time for Caldwell.